Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you from start to finish how to use the free online design tool to create a custom calendar. You want to start by opening our website and click the calendar product, then navigate to the free design tool and make a couple of selections here and choose one of the templates. This is your blank canvas to start creating. So let's begin by importing images to the website. Here you will add photos from your desktop. Once they upload, you will click import. Now your photos are in the images tab and ready for you to click and drag them onto your calendar. You can add a special note, quote, or title by going over to text and clicking add. From here, you can edit the font size, opacity, alignment, or even add effects. The bottom bar is where you can navigate from month to month, and if you'd like to change your starting month, this is where you can do so. Now let's mix things up and add a background. Over here, you can click on the background tab and click and drag one of the backgrounds to add it, or you can upload your own background. At the top of the background tab, the single side background will just put your background on one or the other side. Both side background will replicate your background on both the top and bottom. The stretch background will create a seamless background that stretches from the very top to the very bottom of your calendar. Adding clip art to your calendar is super easy with the design tool. You just have to go over to the clip art tab and find what you're looking for. Once you've found something you like, you can just click and drag it onto your calendar. Next on our list, we have events, which are one of the coolest things you can add to your calendar. You go over to the events tab, and here you can hide traditional events, or you can go over to your events and add your own. As you can see, once it's added, it will be automatically generated into my calendar. With events, you can also click on the specific date and add icons. Our page layout tool will give you full control over what you want it to look like. If you want a different look from June to July, that's no problem. We have lots of options, and you will just click and add. From here, you can click and drag each photo into the boxes, and as you can see, it is different from the rest of your months. At the top, there's an editing bar with tools like pan, cut, copy, paste, and more for editing. To use them, click on the desired image, and this unlocks all the tools. Clicking an image also brings up a detailed toolbox over here, and this shows the image quality, options like replacing, cropping, adjusting, rotating, among others. When you're finished, click Preview to get a complete look at your new calendar, and if you need to make changes, now is the best time, but if you think it looks great, you can click Continue and leave the rest to us. If you need more guidance, you can visit the Resources tab over here in the top right corner, and the Intro and Help buttons down here also have very good information. Don't forget that your project will automatically save, and all edits are saved as long as this icon is gray. And that's a wrap on our free calendar design tool. With endless customization options, you can create a calendar that stands out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, drop any questions or comments down below, and until next time, thank you for watching.